peeps, it's your girl Sabrina and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My channel is all about travel, fashion, lifestyle. So click the subscription button if you like contents like that. So today I want to come on here and talk about a fashion haul. Yes, I'm going to be showing you my closet fashion haul. Well, that's what I'm calling it. So I am packing for a few trips that I'm going to be doing in December. And I have a ton of stuff in my closet that I've never worn before, and I'm basically just pulling out everything that I've never worn before. So I want to do a haul on it and show you guys. So we are going to be packing my luggage. Yes, honey. I have to try on some of these stuff too because I gained weight and I don't know. Do you guys try your clothes on before you put it in the luggage? I tend to do that because I go back and forth with weight nowadays. So, all right, guys. Stay tuned.
Okay guys, so this green dress here is so cute. I've never worn it. It's been sitting in my closet for a couple of months. And when I got it, it used to fit. Now, oh boy, I gained a lot of weight. Oh my god, oh no. Look, I have a pout now. Ooh, I got a little belly sticking. Oh Lord, no. Oh no, let it stop. This is not working out. Ooh. Ooh, good God. I used to, this jumpsuit, I think I bought this jumpsuit from Fashion Nova. And I had this in my closet for at least 9 months or so. And ooh, Lord, I gained a lot of weight. I need to go on a diet immediately. Good gosh. Oh no, I gained a lot of weight, guys. Oh, I'm going on this Jamrock cruise. This would have been a nice number to take with me on the Jamrock cruise, but I gained a lot of weight. Oh boy. Oh Lord. Oh, I don't know where I bought this. I thought this was a cute top. I had this in my closet. I need some like body tape to tape it up, so I'm holding it with my hands right there. It's so cute. It's very sparkly. And, you know, it's like a nice little party type top. Very simple. I like, ooh, boy. Yeah, so, anywho, guys, the weight gain that I've gained doesn't look that bad. But it's very frustrating when you're, like, pulling stuff out your closet and it's just looking some kind of way. So I'm in my feelings about this and stuff. I was like, oh, that's how weight just creep up on you. So, yeah, so I don't know. I'll just have to revisit it. Maybe I could lose at least 10 pounds. I have 3 weeks. Maybe I could lose 10 pounds in 3 weeks. Who got time for that, though? Lord, I got to live my life. Got to live my best life. Shoot. I could probably get some shapewear. Yeah. Shapewear, yes, get some waist trainer, some shapewear, put the bad boy underneath. That's an option. Yeah. Okay, guys, sometimes you just gotta laugh at stuff, and this is definitely a laughing situation right here. You just gotta chuckle. Or, you know, I'm going to take all this crap with me and stuff and just roll with it. It is what it is because I have all this clothes. I've never worn them. And if I waited, so I gained a little weight. So what? So what? So, okay, guys. So I am going to be on the Jamrock cruise again. This year, I went last year. I'm going again. And then which leave out of Florida. And then from Florida, I'm going to New York. Spend some time with my family, and then from there I'm going to Thailand. Yeah, it's my first time to Thailand. I'm going to be in Thailand for New Year's, so I will be back and I'll be videotaping and I'll be back and share my little adventures with you guys. Okay, my peeps, peace out.